In this video, I'm going to show you how to transform a quadratic function y equals ax squared plus bx plus c into the form y equals a times the quantity x minus h squared plus k, which is the vertex form, where the vertex is hk. Expressing quadratic functions in the vertex form is basically just changing the format to give us new information, which is the vertex. As we know, it is easy to graph a quadratic function when the vertex is known. Changing a quadratic function from standard to vertex requires the method of completing the square. How do we do this? Let us begin. We have the given y equals y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. First thing to do is to group the terms containing x. Next is to factor out a. Y equals, so we take out a multiplied by ax squared divided by a is x squared plus bx divided by a is b over a x. Then we put some space because we would like to use completing the square. So now let us complete the square. To make it the perfect square, to make the this one a perfect square trinomial, we divide b over a by 2 and then square it. So b over a divided by 2 is b all over 2a. And then square the quotient. So we get b squared all over 4a squared. Now be careful in this part. So we add b squared all over 4a square. To maintain the same value of the function on the right side of the function, since we add b squared minus 4a squared, we have to subtract also. But be careful on this part because when we multiply a by b squared minus 4a squared, we get b squared all over 4a. So we subtract b squared minus 4a as well. Now we have x squared plus b over ax plus b squared all over 4a squared. This is already a perfect square trinomial. We can express this as the square of a binomial. So we have y equals a multiplied by, so factor x squared plus b over ax plus b squared over 4a squared, we get x plus b all over 2a squared. And then we simplify this part. Plus LCD is 4a. So 4a times c is 4ac minus b squared. Notice that this is already in the form y equals a x minus h plus a. So we can say that h, based from the derived form, we can say that h is equal to negative b all over 2a and k is equal to 4ac minus b squared all over 4a.